Guys, can you imagine? She already know all these things, oh, but she didn't listen to what they were saying. This is the problem we African facing you. We don't listen. We do everything. And this is how we want it. We think we are in Africa. Many of us still thinking we are still living in Africa. Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? And I know we are doing well. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. To my returning subscribers, thank you. I really do appreciate you all. To my new subscribers, hey, not too much, so thank you for checking on me, Jare. God bless you. Please keep checking on your girl. Thank you so much. To my fellow content creators, thank you so much, guys, for always checking on me, for your support. I really do appreciate you all for your care. God bless you. God will reward you for your kind, and I promise to do my best. God bless you. So guys, you know me, at times I do a proko. When I see any video where they fly like this, I'll just like catch up anyone. So the one with my hand will catch up. So I don't have that too much time. So at times when I see one, I do carry like that. So guys, this video of a lady that the government just took away her child, you guys see it. I believe most of our people have watched the video. I've watched it for most of our content creators carrying the news all over. But when I watched the video, I felt so bad. Because why? This thing is just happening all the time. It's just happening all the time because the way our women don't careful about the partner they choose, about the people they choose as a partner, about the way they bring the children into the world. This thing has been continue happening all the time. Guys, what is happening now? Why? We should be careful about these things that concern children. One thing African people don't know is not everybody must have children. Oh, we should know that one. It's not because you are a woman, you just feel that you can just, give birth to a children like this, sharing it to government, they'll be taking it up and down. The way some women behave in Europe, they believe child because that mentality in Africa now. When you born, your children will be playing with nakedness, all these things. They think that mentality. Some women, some girls, because they were brought up like that, so they want to use that attitude to bring up their children here. But the white people I know, they will not allow you. Children need to be taken care of. You need to have time for children. You and your partner need to be, you guys have to be both mentality and everything. You have to be okay before you think of having children here. But here, our people don't just think that they can just have any children they like. They can born the way they like. They don't know that before you bring children up to the world, you need to really like, you are capable. I'm just so tired of seeing our people having children, full government house, traveling all over the place. They can't even, their husband cannot even take care of them. Cannot even take off the responsibility. All over social, we don't even have good name anymore. We don't even have good name because of the way our people behave on this Europe. You have one pikin, do you? Go take care of the one where you go feel born. You go see them, they go born every time. You never take care of the one where you born. Now government, no go let government rest. Everywhere, camp, they don't fool for Nigeria children. They go select the one where they take. Of course, why would they select? Why would they select? Because you guys don't think before you go to family way. So women don't care. Any man that just, as long as that man have something between his leg. You will see a printing lady, when you will bring man come and be saying, my husband, you yourself will fear yourself. The way some women behave these days. Our young girls, the kind of, I'm not saying some of our young girls, the way they do these days, the kind of men they keep around them, how they bring children, how they bonbon everywhere. They turn themselves to be single mother. There are so many responsible single mothers which I know they never plan to be single mother. It's just life. All these characters now will be bringing all these attitudes we are seeing now. We'll be giving them stains. I know some single mothers which not that they just choose to become single mother. It's just something, life, destiny. They don't mess around like this. They take care of their children. They do the father, do the mother parts. But this kind of a women now, we make people to be seeing them like, oh, everybody are the same thing. You will dating a man, you will not ask where the man belongs to. You don't know the man's family. Especially this one now. You are dating this one is not even a man. You want to be like Regina Daniel. Regina Daniel, her husband is a billionaire. He have private agent that is flying all over. But you want to compare yourself with Regina Daniel. Because for me, any woman that want to date a man that is more than her age 2 times, that means that man must have got this money. If this man does not have that money, what are you doing with the man? If this man did not have that money, a man that have a children, even a drunkard, and you guys here, even there was a father here.
Land you not get for Africa. If you come on land, you not get money back. You not get for Africa. If you have, you not get for Africa. After 29 years in Europe,
can you imagine that?
How many age you day? How many age you day? Not be 47. You want complete now. 47 old man. Now you see me they take away too much old baby. Government. They know me. I went to the judge to tell me. Now me cause this thing for myself to where you take
thank God you know.
Problem. Things I not put
your name. There's a part you guys ignore.
That baby for hospital. Where you take hospital cause they make problem. Things I not put your name for the baby. They go tell me say, make this baby for they save with me. Make they carry me and the baby go for you. They no say me get house. Me can't say no. Me not the. No room. I call for me when me there.
Guys, sorry, I need to go back.
Because of documents. Now me want to give you document after 29 years in Europe. Land you not get for Africa. If you come on land, you not get money back. You not get for Africa.
I want you guys to hear this part again. That's why I move it back, you know. Thank God you know.
You know why? Because why? When you take on that baby for hospital, when you take hospital cause the main problem, it means I not put your name for the baby. They go tell me say, make this baby for they save with me. Make they carry me and the baby go for you. They no say me get house. Me can't say no, me not they go for you. Okay, they go still say I say me they were for France. Maybe not go say as I they when I make me say me don't want for you. Okay, they go still beg me, okay, they want to rent one room and parlor for me when they when they play with my baby. I said no. See, I don't agree because I already get my own house. When we I did well. Don't want me, okay? They will leave this baby for you. No, you want condition. You know why? Because they see the way you take care of this baby. They see the way you take care of this baby. Because of this reason, they will allow me go my house with my baby. Because the man said they collect this baby from my hand to hospital.
Guys, can you imagine? She already know all these things though. But she didn't listen to what they were saying. This is the problem we Africans facing in Europe. We don't listen. We do everything. Hey, this is how we want it. We think we are in Africa. Many of us think we are still living in Africa. Still living on Bar Market. Living in Adegule. Can you imagine? We are still living at Ayegule. We forget we are in Europe. White people, they will tell you to do something and you will refuse. You are going down. That is what she got now. Assuming she listened to what they told her, by now she'll be okay with her baby. 2 months old baby. Just like that. Guys, will I be beating for such woman like this? You already know your problem. This one is not that. Thank God she just said the truth. Some people will just come up and say, I did not do anything. Oh, I did not do anything. No, but now she just points the point. The area where she made a mistake. She know, but she stepped on the toes. Which they did. The line they gave to her that not to step on, she stepped on it. So what are we saying? What are we saying? Women. Some women. Eh? Stop bringing children to the world and just like this. Ah, God, I feel so bad, guys. This is terrible for a mother to go through. A just baby that is still sucking breast, little baby like this. This is bad, oh. Our people, you see, another one will happen, oh. This one will not be the last. Another one is still coming. No, they will not learn. No. Many of them are into this situation and they will not run away now. They will still they carry belly, bomb puts. Then tomorrow, hey, show me that no will hear what. Show me that no will hear what. No will stay away from those men. See pretty lady like this. You know, see my way, you go feel friend, we go take care of you. Guys, I don't want this video to be too long. This kind of story good for live streaming. I will be coming on live streaming to address this issue so that I can play all our audio. I want to play that video on my live stream. Women need to learn from it, guys. Women need to learn. Women learn from this mistake. Learn. Oh, it is bad. It's really hot. I will end my video here, guys. Thank you all for coming. See you guys on my next video because this one is a sad story. Thank you all. God bless you. Please share this video. Share this video. Let women learn from this mistake. They need to learn from a mistake. God bless you all. Bye. See you on my next video. Bye.